I have just arrived in Bordeaux and it has been a little bit of a stressful journey today. I thought I was going to be late for the bus, but turns out that I can just take the next one and I'll still make it in time for my next bus, well actually the train. I'm exhausted. I'm so thankful for the lady that I'm going to do a Workaway with. She spoke me through everything. I've just made it to the Bordeaux train station. I have no idea where to go, so I'm just going to try to figure out which train to take. I already have a ticket bought, but I have no idea. I think I have to just go to one of the platforms and see. I've given up my second room. I'm paying out all my own dreams. Just tell me, please, tell me where we're going. I am in Agen. I took the train here. It cost about, I think it was 11 something euros. The train station was super confusing. I had to ask someone because I did not understand. And I sat next to this guy. It made me feel super uncomfortable. You know, he might have been innocent, but being alone in a country and, you know, speaking to someone that just met them and then they like touch your arm when you're speaking to them and ask if you're single and just ask you very like personal questions. You know, there's a difference between someone that's just like talking to make conversation and then someone that's just like overstepping boundaries and just wanting to know a little too much. So I'm feeling quite anxious as that was kind of my first experience here in France. The lady from Workaway has picked me up. She is really, really nice, and her friend from Ukraine is here with her family. Obviously they're refugees, so they're staying here with us. I'm very happy to be able to share my space with someone that has been through something difficult and just understand where they're coming from and how they're feeling and just trying to help any way that I can. We're gonna pop to the local supermarket and then we're going to head home, but I'm just going to chill, maybe take a nap, take a shower, kind of get rid of some of this anxiety because I'm feeling quite shitty. So this is my stop for the next few weeks. Hello again. I have spent the last few hours just having a tour around the house, chatting, and I have been cooking. So the lady that owns the house is out at yoga at the moment doing a lesson. The Ukrainian family is chilling. I've cooked them dinner. I've cooked garlic rice with veg, and then in the oven we're busy waiting for cabbage that I'm roasting, roasted fennel, and then roast pepper, onion and garlic, which I'm going to make a sauce with, and then these will just go on the dish. So I put my plates here. I'm going to plate everything nicely, and yeah, I'm pretty much starving. I've only really eaten some salt and vinegar chips today, but I actually really haven't had an appetite. So now my appetite's here now that I've started cooking. I'm just waiting for the stuff in the oven. I'm gonna blend the sauce and then put everything together, and hopefully it's good and nourishing.
Never wanted any other life than the one I'm living. Get lost inside the haze.
Good morning, everyone. So I have just been downstairs having the most incredible brunch that Tasman cooked. She is an incredible chef and she makes such good food that's good for the mind and the soul. And then now I'm about to just put on my shoes and I'm going to go gardening for the day. Gonna sort out the front of the house, de-weed, clean the door. This house is absolutely incredible. I slept so well last night. I have not slept like that in forever. I'm feeling really rested, really good, and yeah, let's go gardening.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe out, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time. Taking
I know that you think it's so important to convince everyone else that you're not boring, but it's making me feel like my skin is crawling. I keep pouring out my empathy to someone I don't even see eye to eye with. I don't mind if you don't have it all together. Yeah, I get it, we're all human, but I give you an inch and you take miles. It's tragic, ruining my sanity with tales of animosity. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy, lose my mind, and I swear I might die if I cared more, but you're not worth the time. You never put me up front 'cause it's your spotlight. I'm in the backseat of my own car. I'd rather cry than let you drive me crazy one more night. Climbing up somebody else's ladder just to make yourself feel just a little bigger. I don't know if I've seen anything that's sadder. It's so hard to comprehend how you don't even understand. Stepping on me without even trying. Never seen somebody get so good at lying.
That's it. And then you go like this.
See